on soil erosion and drainage. First, I'll be demonstrating what happens when you pour water onto bare ground. As you can see, the water is dirty and cloudy. This is because the soil from the container has gone down and washed off into the cup. My second experiment will show what happens when you pour water over dead and dry leaves. As you can see, the water is clearer than the first experiment. This is because the leaves are protecting the soil and not letting much of the soil particles escape. My last experiment will show what happens when water is poured over grass. As you can see, the water is much clearer than the first two experiments. This is because the soil particles are not escaping, because the grass roots are holding them in, gripping to them so that the soil particles do not come out. The first experiment showed that if it's bare ground and it rains, then the water will wash away the soil particles. The second experiment shows that if the ground is covered by dry and dead leaves, the water will take only a little bit of the soil particles with it. The last experiment showed that the roots of the grass grip to the soil and only take a small amount of the soil particles with it, and the rest of the water is clean.